So today I'm going to show you how to withdraw on PayPal. So we're actually here in real time on our PayPal app. We actually are here on the home tab, as you can see on the bottom left-hand side. Now, there are a couple different ways to go ahead and withdraw on PayPal. One of the ways we can do that is right here towards the center where you see it says PayPal balance, and it'll show how much you have on your account. So let's go ahead and click anywhere inside of this box. Now that's going to take us to our PayPal balance section. And right over here towards the very top section, there is a button right here that says transfer. Let's click on this. And that's going to bring up this pop-up menu here towards the very bottom that says transfer money. Now you can see there are 3 different options, and the one we want is to transfer to bank with the left and right hand arrow. Click anywhere on those words. All right, so from here, it's going to ask first and foremost how much you want to transfer and how much is actually available in the balance. So if you want to send all of it, it will be pre-populated with the total. Otherwise, you can click this little pencil and then choose how much you want to go ahead and actually have transfer. So for example, here today, we're just going to do $10 and click on done. And then you can see here, there are 2 options for you. You could either do the withdraw within 3 business days and when they expect it to land, or you can have it transferred instantaneously, keeping in mind it does have to have a particular either bank account or debit card on file to allow that. And there is going to be fees associated with it. Now, if you'd like to change the account, is going to be up next here. You can see we currently have our SoFi account. You can click on the word change here towards the right, and it's going to show you all the accounts on file that you can transfer to. And then if you needed to add a new account, go ahead and click on link a new bank account. And then from here, just check off the option that you want to make sure that money is being sent to, and it'll bring that drop down menu away. Now, I just want to also quickly show you what the instant looks like as well. When we click on this, a pop-up menu is going to show up for us. Now, this is going to show all the accounts on file that are available to do that instant transfer for you. So again, just click on whichever option, or you can go ahead and link a new debit card or bank account. Keep in mind, not every single account works for this, but if it does, it'll pop up here for you. Now we're going to go back to the 3 business days withdraw. As you can see, the fee for this is completely free, so there's no charges. When you do the instant, it'll let you know what that charge is, and there is a maximum as well as a minimum. Now from here, it is going to have that transfer button at the very bottom that says transfer the $10. Let's click on this. And just like that, you can see over here, our $10 is on the way. And that is how to withdraw on PayPal. Now, there is more to show you when it comes to utilizing your PayPal account, and we got you covered. Check out our next video right over here on screen to keep on learning.